examples in her life, and she hopes to build her own mobile stores someday.
Oh, nalalag na. Kasi sarap pa rin ang buko itong kasali natin, no? Yes. Okay, candidate number 2.
This gorgeous girl enjoys swimming. In fact, she swam across the Pacific Ocean from United States just to get here in the Philippines.
Ang ganda ni candidate number 2. Now let's welcome candidate number 3.
This honey has been singing since she was 2 months old. She started vulcanizing because she wants to build her own vulcanizing shop.
May pa-share si Kapitana. Alright, let's welcome candidate number 4.
Baba Boom, candidate number 4. She's one of my favorites. She's looking great out there. Candidate number 4 is the heaviest contestant in this year's pageant.
Ang Tara, siksik-likdik at umaapaw. Alright, let's also welcome candidate number 5.
Oh, recently proud just got a million awards now. What I love to her is that she's a popular drugstore and Chinese garter player in the country. Athletic beauty queen, go, candidate number 5.
Ang ganda ng lakad ni number 5, kala mo lagi ka agad mo. Nakakalakalgate. Alright, candidate number 6.
This young lady believes that the human comes from the family of monkey. No doubt, she well represented them. Go, candidate number 6.
Ang taray ni number 6 may lakong sinubukan. Now let's welcome number 7.
Our next generation is the smallest contestant in this year's pageant. In fact, she wants to have data that her heart is 4 inches.
This day, sinasipin si Marisha. Welcome, I love Philippines. Let's also welcome candidate number 8.
Oh, candidate number 8. Her stage name is Michelle Peters. Her candidate number 8 has the same name to Michelle Peters, just reaching top 10 in the competition. Well, let's just see. Go, candidate number 8.
Oh, ang taray, ang dami na lang payo. O ano, may giba naggatin? Ganyan talaga. O, yun na. Ay, ang taray ng payo. Refreshing Christmas light. Merry Christmas, alam ko. Let's also welcome candidate number 9. Ay, ang taray, gusto ko po.
Oh, that is number 9. Functional card number 9. Card number 9 brings about a request someday.
Wait, wait, dalawa ang halo-halo. Ang taray ng lola mo.
May ako lang po si Mayor.
Hindi kaya nakatulong agad yung halo-halo na may electric fan? Let's welcome candidate number 10.
Candidate number 10. Where are you? Candidate number 10. Oh, there you are. I thought I saw a walking dress in the stage. For the lights, that's all. Go, candidate number 10.
Wow, ang galing candidate number 10. I believe that black is beautiful, but too much black is dirty. Para napansin mong bakla, no? Ma, ayaw taray ng bubong mo, flower, flower. And let's welcome candidate number 11.
This girl enjoys playing cards. In fact, she loves to play Lucky Nine, Poker, Poker, and Rocket.
Ang taray ko candidate namin, kami makasamang talon. Ang taray number 11, parang nakikipaglibing ka lang.
Let's also welcome candidate number 12. Our next lady is a go-to player. In fact, her skin account reaches the highest level now. And her favorite heroes are Razor and Crystal Maiden.
Let's call in candidate number 13.
This lady dreams to fly in the outer space someday, using the hot air balloon. In fact, she wishes she will be the next first gate to reach and step into the sun. And she believes in a saying, if others can, let them do it.
Ano ba yung kasabihan? May kasabihan din ako.
Let's welcome candidate number 14.
This next lady is a music lover. She dreams to become a singer someday and have a concert in Araneta. Araneta Bus Station.
Let's welcome candidate number 15.
This girl loves to dance. In fact, she's been dancing since she was a child. Her dancing idols are Bayani at Bayani and Willie Revillame.
Ayan lang.
And she only weighs 35 kilos. Ayan, about Morris Candy.
At ay matutulog. Ay, magsasang rating. Sana mantika ginamit mo at makinta. Ay, nauhaw na.
Ay! Nakasumubo ang bakla.
Baka masyong ka na mo, ha?
Ano ba yan?
Ang dami ng eksena. Meron pa. Oh, isda.
Matatapos ang programa, nasa stage pa siya.
Oo. Thank you, candidate number 11. Ay, 15.
Alright, let's call in on stage candidate number 16.
And her number 16 is a curious girl. She loves to play Chinese garter, jackstone, and one by one.
Ah, ang guwapo na kasama ni candidate number 16. Yung partner mo ang nagdala. Oh, di ba? Ang guwapo nung lalaki, ang dumi ng balat niya. Yan kaya ang uso sa stage. Yung madumi ang balat.
Okay, on stage is candidate number 17.
Our current number 17 is a professional sumo wrestler. Traveling Latin candidate. Go, candidate number 17.
Ang taray ni 17, oh. Ang daming bit-bit ng mga hulugan na ibon.
Alright, back na back yun, Tati. Let's welcome this time naman the candidates for alumni edition. We start with candidate number 18.
Ang wow.
This young lady got heartbroken last February.
Yeah. Ay, ang ganda mo ang Barbie.
But being heartbroken seems just an only syndrome.
Candidate
Yeah.
number 18 is a walking flower vase.
Malaki pa yung bulaklak sa damit niya.
Tama ba yan?
Our next candidate is a palamig vendor.
Candidate number 19.
Alam ko naman yung buko juice. Ay, may tag. May tawag si Mayora.
Ang official water girl sa Iraan.
Yes. At may baso pa. Okay, dala siyang ay alta. Diba?
Candidate number 19. Now let's welcome our next candidate. Candidate number 20. Our next candidate is Tropic. that is right.
Ay, candidate ano siya?
Candidate number 20 is our official manicurist.
Akala ko group number 20.
Wearing a flower dress, covered by Pupuria,
And neck stockings.
Yeah.
together with LV Bond,
Lumang Baba.
Thank you, candidate number 20. Now let's welcome candidate number 21.
Wow! Fresh na fresh from Honolulu, Hawaii.
Candidate number 21 loves to throw chichiria.
because she delivers
Ay, talaga. Ang taray.
Pasensya na po si candidate number 21, wala siya sa flow.
she believes in saying it's better to give than to receive.
Yes.
Our next candidate is candidate number 22.
Ang taray din number 22, babaihan. Pero ang katawan, lalakihan. May paagaw din.
Ay,
Ay, ang taray. Bakit close?
Candidate number 22 ay galit sa audience.
Yes. Binabato din. Pero in fairness ha, ang ganda.
Oo nga naman.
Medyo yung balat kumalat na.